Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you family food spaghetti. You can see how I prepare the spaghetti for my family. Inside the spaghetti I have onion, tomato puree and pepper, crayfish inside. So the only thing you do, you boil your spaghetti, then you wash it very well, wash all the starch away. Then you make your sauce. When you make your sauce, then you now pour the spaghetti. Season the sauce like Maggi season, pepper, onion. Use vegetable oil to fry all your ingredients. Then after you season it, you now pour your spaghetti. You can call it pasta, you can call it spaghetti. So after you put it, you cover it and leave it like few minutes, like 5 minutes. Then you turn it, and after turning it, it's ready to eat. So that is what I prepare for my family today. This family food spaghetti jollof. That is the name. You can see, very yummy. Do it like this. If you want to use protein like chicken, goat meat, red meat, or fish, you now fry it separate. When you dish it for your children, you now put meat by the side. If you want to garnish it like green pepper, green beans, carrot, even cabbage, you can slice that one and take garnish it. But this I just cook it plain. I didn't put any carrot, green beans or cabbage. Just cook it plain and it's very sweet. So they were enjoying it. You can see I cook it very plenty. So that is all for family food spaghetti jollof. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment for it. Share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.